Hey everybody, I'm Jason and welcome to Broken Boat Diaries Part 1. Today we're going to be talking about my Mercury Pro XS. It's a 2020 on a Ranger VS1782. It's also a 2020. It's the Ranger with the all-welded aluminum hull. Fantastic boat. And really what we're going to be getting at is the failures of my Mercury Pro XS on several occasions since last year. The engine, it's ran great on some occasions, and on others, it just totally loses power. I take it in, get it serviced, I get it back. Sometimes it doesn't work at all. And then actually the last time it worked for like 5-6 hours, and it completely died on me again. So all we're going to do is go over the video that I have of the failure, see what everybody thinks, recommendations, anything like that. And I guess we'll start from there. Hello, it's November 19th, 12:33. I'm on Brookville Reservoir. I just got my boat back after having some warranty work done. I let it warm up for about 10 minutes. I'm already experiencing failure. I'm gonna try and get it on video. So it starts right up. The motor starts right up, runs real fine. Like a surging going on, so I'm already going back, and it's about to quit. So hey, this is a video of my motor failing. It'll get up and plane, and then it'll just lose power due to fuel, electrical, I don't know. But this is it. There we go. Motor stalls out. I'll turn the key. I can hear the pump go on. Sometimes you hear it whine. There we go. That's it.
What about your hours? Are showing up?
The hours are showing up this time. And then I return to port going 6 miles an hour. GoPro turn off. GoPro stop recording. We got ours. Ours came back. So hey, so after everything we've just seen in the video, I do want to state one thing is that Mercury's customer service, every time I talk to them, they've tried to be really prompt and really helpful to help me get the desired outcome, which is me on the water with my boat that, you know, I spend a significant amount of money on, and I pay for, you know, Mercury and Ranger because I want quality. So going out, what do I think? So I think that this is a brand new boat and that it should work. It's got a warranty, thank God. So we're going that avenue, but every time I bring it in, you know, I lose a month on the water, and guess what? I'm still making those boat payments. Next, as far as what it actually is, I think it's something incredibly simple. I think that there is a fuel restriction, and that has led to like pump failures and things like that. It's just not getting enough fuel, because when the motor runs, it runs great. It's really quiet, very fuel efficient. And then in closing, we just wanted to make sure like everybody understood the symptoms, because I know if you're watching this video, there's a good chance you're in a very similar spot to me. The steps I'm making towards progress, and then what do you think? Well, what do you think about Mercury motors? Like, hey, dump it, get a Suzuki, get a Yamaha. What do you think about the problems? And do you like the content? So if you like it, you know, do the thumbs up. And if you don't like it, just say in the comments that I hate your face. But anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good day.